Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Coach Presh. In this channel, I show people how you can actually make money online from the comfort of your home. So if you haven't made a dime online from the comfort of your home, that means you haven't been watching my videos as I share tips on how you can actually make money online. So in today's video, I will show you how you can actually make money online using CPA marketing. Now this is a CPA marketing. You don't even need experience for this. You don't even need to show your face. So let's get right on into it. Before we proceed, this is a website. I'll be dropping the link in the description for those of you who do not already have the account, because I'll be showing you how you can actually make good amount of money from it and how you can also just make money from it without even needing a website. So if you don't have an account yet, you can click the link in my description to proceed. But if you already have an account, you can just register so I can walk you right on with it. So CPAGrip is a CPA network that pays you every time someone completes a simple task, like downloading an app, submitting an email, or filling out a form. This time you don't need to, it's not like affiliates, the usual affiliate marketing that people must buy from you. What they just need to do is to actually just perform a task. It could just to fill a form. Immediately they fill that form, submit their email, you get paid. So this one, you don't need to worry about actually getting people to buy your products from you. Just getting them to perform a simple task, you will earn money from it. So to get started, all you have to do is actually click on the register button. So I'll go ahead and click on it, the register button here. And this is where it will take you to. So you can fill your first name. I'm going to go ahead and create the account, but so as not to make the video long, I'll just cut out that part from it. Fill your first name, your last name. You don't, this company name, you can see it's not compulsory you fill it. You must not, you don't even need to have a website. Fill your address, select any country of your choice, and this website accepts you immediately. So you can fill your city, your region. Now this IM service, you can just fill your name here, just here, fill your name where it's written IM service, just fill your name. Come down here, put your email address and select your time zone, agree to all the terms and click on register. So I'm going to go right on and register a new account so that we can proceed with it. Now, if you've just registered your account, this is exactly how your dashboard will look like. So how do we get an offer to promote? All we have to do is actually click on this offer tools here. You can see offer tools here. Then click on my offers. Now, these are the offers you need to promote. Now, I'm going to show you a trick to actually make good amount of money from this. You are a Nigerian, because what you are saying, if you look at this place, you can see country, Nigeria, and you can see the available offers here, 0.17. So anytime somebody performs this task, said you can just post the link and you can see it get latest Samsung Galaxy S25. You can copy it and post it. When people click on it and maybe fill in their email, you will be paid 0.17 cents. So, but now, how do we get a larger offer? So what we have to do is go back to where this country is, select it, scroll down. Okay, let me just search it. US, let's type United States, select United States. And they will change the offer for us. Now, look at what is coming out. You can see payout is $2.31. So when somebody completes this task, this first task here is you can get a Walmart gift card. You can just copy it. Be the one to get a Caribbean getaway vacation. So you can see the amount you can make from getting a US offer. You can switch it. You can also try United Kingdom. Let's see the offers they have there. Okay, this one is, you can see, okay, it's in dollars. You can see $5 just to complete this particular task. You could be signing up, you could be downloading it, you can say start your own ads, try. Just copy the link and you can promote it and get, if this one you have about 10 people completing this, you can imagine how much you will make from it. So now, how do we really get people to click on our link? How do we get the traffic, the visitors we have, so as to be able to get at least, let's say 10 people clicks on this $5 offer, and if 10 people clicks on it, that's over $50 already. And people are making this almost every day. People are making more than this every day. There are some people that already has large followings, and you can see them. Some of you that are on WhatsApp group, you must have come across this CPA marketing, whereby People send you a different offer and say share to win iPhone. That's part of the CPA marketing. Immediately you feel it, that person has already made money. Maybe the person that even sent it to you doesn't even know how you got to the link, but maybe just wanted to share it among people. And boom, that person's link keeps growing, the connection keeps growing, and he keeps making money from it. So how do we now get people to visit this our website? Now there are different methods you can actually get people to visit your website. For instance, if you are actually a YouTuber, you can actually promote your link through YouTube. You can also promote it through faceless TikTok videos. You can also use Pinterest. I'm going to show you one though. You can use Quora to do so, Quora and Reddit. Now, another means we can actually promote this product is through Facebook groups. So you can go to Facebook and search for giveaway. Select groups. You can see different groups. Click on join. You can join different giveaway groups. Join different as much as possible. You can join this group and you can start posting, because some of these groups actually allows you to post links on them. You can just write a post, but don't just copy the link and dump it there. Write a post, a reasonable post. Okay, maybe Samsung is giving out S25 for free if only you complete this survey. Take this opportunity now. Something like that. Then you can go. But now let's go back and get a link. Let's just go back and get a random link. Let's say, let's go back to that iPhone. Let's just click anyone. You can see the link is very, very long. Now, I don't expect you to copy this whole link and just dump it in a Facebook group, because it will look spammy. So all you have to do is actually go to, there are different link shortener that you can go to. You can go to Google, search for any link or shortener, then shorten the all from there. So I already have one available, so let's just use it. No, I'm not going to use Bitly. So let's use this one. Let's shorten the link. And you can see the link has now been shortened. So you can just copy this, go to any of those groups, make a reasonable post and put it there. Now, for those, if you actually want to promote on YouTube or TikTok and you don't, maybe you are camera shy, you don't want to show your face, you can also use these trending AI videos to make videos and just post it there. So for those of you anyway, if you want to actually know how to create that faceless AI video, there's a course that's available and I'll drop the link under the description for you to actually go there. It's just about, I think the course is not that expensive. You can just, maybe depending on your country, it should be about 2 point something dollars. I think in Naira it should be about 3,000 Naira. Then for Ghana it's about 29 Ghanaian cedis. So you can just get the course and learn how to actually create these AI videos for yourself. You can make it faceless AI videos, get people talking. You can, even if you're a business person, you can actually use it to promote your own products. So that is it. So if you learned something from this video, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, as I'll be sharing more tips on how you can actually make money online from the comfort of your home. See you some other time. Thank you.